Welcome. This meditation is best done out in nature. If you are unable to be outdoors, imagine yourself in your favourite outdoor place, under a tree, at the beach, on the riverbank, or sprawled out on the lawn in your yard or local park. Nature is a marvel at cleansing your auric field. You may sit or lie with your eyes closed, and I'd like, if possible, for you to have your feet flat on the ground. Begin by focusing on your breathing whilst feeling your feet on the firm surface. Inhaling life-giving and oxygenating breath. Exhaling and setting the intention that you're reclaiming your body, both physical and energetic, and your vitality. Releasing everything that is draining you or affecting you. Breathing in, long and deep. Feet flat and connected to the firm surface. Breathing out and relaxing. Continue your rhythmic breathing throughout the meditation, quieting down and surrendering to the breath and nature's healing. If random thoughts distract you, simply come back to my voice and your breathing in the present moment. With your next breath in, take it down to your pelvis. If it helps you to focus, you can pop your hand there. Your breath is also infused with light. Imagine golden white sparkling light that travels down into your belly and circulates around your pelvis. The life-giving breath and light fills your pelvis down to the perineum and all the way up and around your hip bones. The light fills your pelvis to overflowing, and the overflow gently travels down your legs as if tree roots are growing. You can also imagine ribbons of beautiful white golden light. Passing through your feet deep into the earth. Keep breathing and take the roots or ribbons deeper and deeper into the earth. You are now energetically grounded in your body, rather than being dislodged. When you are dislodged, you are vulnerable to energies around you. Continue breathing in the golden white sparkling light, allowing it to spread from your pelvis throughout your physical body. Breathing in and spreading the light. All the way to the top of your head, the tips of your fingers, filling you completely. Continue breathing in and out. You begin to feel revitalized by the light and the oxygenated breath. Deep, calming breaths. Visualize or sense the cleansing light overflowing outside of your physical body, arm's length around you, above you, below you, and remember the back of you. Keep breathing and allow the light to grow until you are encased in an egg-shaped bubble of white golden sparkling light. You are grounded and centered in your own light. This is your personal space, and you are in charge of it. Continue to breathe and see yourself becoming brighter and brighter. The brighter you are, the clearer and cleaner your energy field becomes. You are lit up like the brightest, brightest light globe. Breathing in and out. I invite you now to place your hand on your heart and lovingly and joyfully set the intention that you are free of all hooks and low vibrations that have attached themselves to you. You are free. You are clean. And you are clear. The light has transformed all lower energies. You are in a powerful, loving space, grounded and centered. If you would like to create an even stronger boundary, I invite you now to imagine a membrane of violet transmuting light encircling your egg-like bubble. Everything is repelled from your being. Breathing in and out. And one last time, visualizing or sensing beautiful light that you are encased in, and the membrane of violet light all around your egg-like bubble. With your next breath in, wiggle your toes, bring some movement into your body, and there's no rush to open your eyes. You can take your time. I do hope you've received some value from this meditation. I invite you to click the thumbs up and would appreciate a comment. And I also invite you to subscribe to the channel. There are plenty of 10-minute meditations to choose from. Also, the notifications bell is a fabulous reminder to incorporate meditation into your daily life. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.